Hey! So, you're on the go, and you don't have enough time to stop for breakfast, well, or for lunch, or for dinner. So, I'm gonna teach you how to make something you can eat on the go all day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner in a thermos. Alright, let's go. Ingredients.
First, you're gonna need your grape jelly, and then you're gonna do your cereal. Of course, you need cereal, that's your breakfast. So then you're gonna need the Swiss rolls or dessert bread. You can't have a good sandwich without bread. And then you're gonna need some ramen. That's our dinner. Our dinner's gonna be ramen. Then snack is pretzels. The more dessert item, butter, peanut butter. You need peanut butter for a good peanut butter jelly. Milk for the cereal, and you're gonna need a fork, knife, spoon, pot, pan, and of course the thermos. And then you just fill that baby up with water. Just get it all the way boiling. Stir that on the stove and get it to boiling temperature, whatever that is for you, like religiously or whatever. And then you open up your thermos, and then you start just shoving in those dessert items. You're gonna need to crunch them up a bit, get them all to balance their weight in there, and just go all in, shake it up, and then just put your ramen in. The water should be boiling by now, and then start spreading the peanut butter and jelly on your sandwich. Then put it together. Now you got yourself a handsome little sandwich. And the ramen should be done by now. And then just move to the cold part of the place, and then you just get it. Put your ramen right into the thermos, so it's just dessert. Then you put your sandwich in. Just crunch it up real good, because you need all that goodness, all that protein, all those pretzels, snacks, and cereal for breakfast. And you pour it, you got your cereal and breakfast. You just close it up. There you go. You got your tier of deliciousness. It's all complete. It's all in there. It's all
Breakfast right here up on top. Your snack, your lunch, your dinner, your dessert. Throughout the day, you just get it out. It's absolutely delicious. And you just drink it, and you notice it kind of combines together, so you're drinking the milk and the ramen at the same time. There's sandwich. That's it. That's all you need to know. Now you have your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner. That was delicious. That was so good. This is the best format. I don't know why more people aren't doing this. Have a little sip on the go. You get your spoon and you just vibe with it, man. That's the tutorial.